Very good morning, one and all gathered here. Today we are going to have the presentation on application of artificial intelligence in engine combustion, overall review. So this is a proposed problem statement, how the modern technological tool like artificial intelligence techniques plays a most vital important role in predicting the performance of engine, the combustion process during the heat transfer application. The work outlines the clear understanding of AI systems in different disciplines of combustion engineering. Say heat transfer inside the steam boiler, heat flow inside the internal combustion engine. In this presentation, a focus is made only on the internal combustion engine. How to control the efficiency fuel consumption of an internal combustion engine through automation, say AI, artificial intelligence system. So this topic is nothing but use of the latest technological trend for conventional mechanical subsystems. So what are the tools that can be applied, approach as per the existing literature for this kind of the mechanical related application? Normally, any complex mechanical systems, either we can go by analytical approximation techniques like algorithm or numerical methods, say complex mathematical model. But the difference is the solving of the computational power, the time duration that may take considerably more amount of time to get the accurate solution. These are some of the drawback in the conventional methodology. And moreover, what are the common challenges involved in a engine design, a mechanical system like an internal combustion engine? So if you want to predict the performance of the combustion process in an internal combustion engine, then you have to fit lot more variables, say fuel consumption, the emission rate, then the piston, the swept volume inside the engine cylinder. So pressure, temperature changes inside the combustion cycle. So many the variables are needed to model a complex mechanical system. So the analytical process, mathematical numerical technique may not be suitable for this kind of complex real world application. Then what could be the only possible solution? So use of artificial intelligence approach. So we can able to study the combustion related problems occurring in the engines just by simulating the form of a basic input and output model, say artificial neural network. So that is one of the key component we can apply for analyzing such kind of practical problem. With the help of that, we can better predict, and also it is very easier to get the solution within a reasonable point of time compared to the traditional method. The major outcome of the work, so use of AI techniques, we can able to present the solution for the combustion related problems by modeling different mechanical subsystems and bringing over the proper control measure. Say for an example, here in this small case study, so how to identify the fault diagnosis of a diesel engine. So in this case study, there are two types of problems, fault that are identified. One is exhaust valve leakage during combustion cycle. and leakage in fuel injector nozzle. These two problems occur at separate timings, not at the same time, in two different separate timings inside the engine. So how to detect these kind of issues? So with the help of a pressure transducer, electromechanical pressure transducer, which is used to sense the abnormal, the changes that are happening inside the cylinder during the combustion cycle. I mean the heat transfer mode. So with the help of that, we can able to give an alarming warning signal to the entire engine combustion process in order to quickly control the engine before it gets failure. To prevent the leakage, we have to keep some control measure to stop the engine, automatically stop the engine using the pressure indicator transducer kind of mechanism. So what is the conclusion of this idea? So in this work, use of artificial intelligence is treated as a primary tool to predict various problems that are arising in the engine performance. And use of AI, we can able to better plan the efficiency of the engine. So in today, most of the mechanical systems, we can apply the concept of artificial intelligence very effectively, and we can able to find out the solution for a complex problem within a shorter time duration. So with this few note, I thank each and every one of you. So in the next meeting, we will have another interesting research idea by linking the concept of artificial intelligence for some other mechanical engineering related systems. Thank you one and all present here.